Welcome to Health Pulse TV. Get ready to unveil the secrets to achieving that coveted glass skin and say goodbye to inflammation. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare and nutrition, bringing you 10 simple yet powerful drinks that can transform your complexion and promote overall skin health. From soothing inflammation to revealing a radiant glow, these drinks are a game changer for your skincare routine. So grab your favorite mug and join us on this journey to radiant, glass-like skin. Your skin is a reflection of your inner health, and what you put into your body can have a significant impact on its appearance. The pursuit of glass skin, that flawless, dewy complexion, has captivated skincare enthusiasts worldwide. But achieving it isn't just about what you apply topically, it's also about nourishing your skin from within. That's where these simple yet effective drinks come into play. By incorporating these beverages into your daily routine. So, let's dive into the world of skincare sips and discover how these drinks can help you achieve the skin of your dreams. Number 10, Green Tea Elixir. Starting off our countdown is a classic favorite green tea. Rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, green tea boasts anti-inflammatory and skin protective properties. These antioxidants help combat free radicals, reduce redness, and promote a youthful complexion. Brew yourself a soothing cup of green tea and watch your skin's clarity improve. When you sip on green tea, you're infusing your body with a plethora of benefits that extend beyond mere hydration. The polyphenols found in green tea, specifically catechins, are powerful antioxidants that help protect your skin cells from oxidative stress. Number 9. Hydrating Cucumber Spa Water. Quench your skin's thirst with our number 9 contender, Hydrating Cucumber Spa Water. Cucumbers are not only refreshing, but also packed with silica, a mineral that supports collagen production and promotes skin elasticity. When infused in water, cucumbers release their hydrating essence, giving your skin a much-needed boost in moisture. Cucumber-infused spa water is a simple yet incredibly effective way to keep your skin hydrated and refreshed. Silica, found abundantly in cucumbers, is a mineral that's often referred to as the beauty mineral due to its role in supporting healthy skin, hair, and nails. Number 8. Radiant Beetroot Smoothie. For a vibrant and radiant complexion, indulge in a delicious beetroot smoothie. Beetroots are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help detoxify the skin and improve blood circulation. This translates to a natural, healthy glow that emanates from within. Beetroots are often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. Their rich hue is indicative of the potent antioxidants they contain, known as betalains. These antioxidants aid in detoxifying your body by assisting the liver in removing waste and toxins. As a result, your skin reaps the benefits of this internal cleansing process, becoming clearer and more radiant. Number 7. Turmeric Golden Milk. Unveil the magic of turmeric with our number 7 entry, Turmeric Golden Milk. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, possesses potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. A warm mug of golden milk not only soothes inflammation, but also supports your skin's natural radiance. Number 6. Glow Boosting Aloe Vera Juice. Aloe vera isn't just for topical use, it can work wonders when consumed too. Aloe vera juice is brimming with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that aid digestion, promote gut health, and subsequently reflect positively on your skin. Say hello to a clear, glowing complexion. Number 5. Citrus Infusion. Zest up your skincare routine with our number 5 pick, Citrus Infusion. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports collagen production, fights free radicals, and brightens the skin. Sip on a tangy citrus drink to keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Number 4. Antioxidant-packed berry smoothie. Berries take the spotlight at number 4 with an antioxidant-packed smoothie. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are bursting with anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect the skin from oxidative stress and inflammation. Blend up a colorful berry smoothie to nourish your skin from the inside out. When it comes to antioxidant-rich foods, berries are at the top of the list, and for good reason. The vibrant colors of berries are indicative of their high levels of anthocyanins, a class of antioxidants that provide a range of benefits for your skin. Anthocyanins help protect your skin cells from oxidative damage caused by environmental factors like UV, radiation, and pollution. Number 3. Clear Complexion Green Juice. Get ready to purify your skin with our number 3 contender, a Clear Complexion Green Juice. Packed with leafy greens like kale, spinach, and celery, this drink is a nutrient powerhouse. These greens provide vitamins A and C, iron, and chlorophyll, promoting detoxification and giving your skin a natural radiance. The benefits of leafy greens for overall health are well known, and their impact on your skin is equally impressive. Green juices are a convenient and effective way to load up on nutrients that can help clear your complexion and promote a healthy glow. Kale, spinach, and celery, the stars of this green juice, are rich in vitamins A and C. These vitamins play a crucial role in skin repair and rejuvenation, helping to heal blemishes and even out your skin tone. Number 2. Collagen-boosting bone broth. Collagen is a key player in maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. At number 2, we introduce you to collagen-boosting bone broth. Rich in amino acids and minerals, bone broth supports collagen production and promotes healthy skin structure. Sip on this nourishing elixir to reveal a plumper, more youthful complexion. Bone broth has been cherished for centuries for its nourishing properties, and its role in supporting skin health is truly remarkable. Collagen, the protein responsible for maintaining skin structure and elasticity, is found abundantly in bone broth. By consuming collagen-rich bone broth, you're providing your body with the raw materials it needs to maintain and produce collagen. This, in turn, helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving your skin a plumper and more youthful look. Before we unveil our number 1 drink for achieving glass skin and reducing inflammation, let's recap the powerful lineup of beverages that can transform your complexion. From the antioxidant-packed berry smoothie to the collagen-boosting bone broth, each drink offers a unique blend of nutrients to support your skin's health and radiance. We've explored the wonders of green tea, hydrating cucumber spa water, radiant beetroot smoothies, turmeric golden milk, glow-boosting aloe vera juice, and the zesty citrus infusion. These beverages go beyond quenching your thirst. They're a nourishing ritual that brings you closer to the skin of your dreams. Number 1. Glow-enhancing watermelon elixir. And now, drum roll please. Our number 1 drink for achieving glass skin and reducing inflammation is the glow-enhancing watermelon elixir. Watermelon is a summer favorite that's not only hydrating, but also rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from UV damage and free radicals. Sip on this refreshing elixir to experience the ultimate hydration and skin-enhancing benefits. Watermelon, with its high water content and delicious sweetness, is a summertime delight that does wonders for your skin. Lycopene, the antioxidant responsible for giving watermelon its vibrant red hue, is known for its ability to neutralize free radicals and protect your skin from UV-induced damage. Congratulations! You've just embarked on a journey through 10 simple yet transformative drinks that can help you achieve glass skin and reduce inflammation. From green tea to watermelon elixir, each beverage offers a unique blend of nutrients that supports your skin's health and radiance from within. Remember, skincare is not just about what you apply on the surface, it's also about nourishing your body with the right ingredients. So, why not raise a glass to your skin's health and indulge in these delightful elixirs? Thank you for joining us on this quest for glowing, radiant skin. Stay hydrated, stay beautiful, and keep sipping your way to that glass-like complexion you've always dreamed of.